Problem 10.25. So suppose we have three random variables, x1, random sample of size 3, x1 through x3. They are from the normal distribution. The question asks us to find the efficiency of this estimator, which is kind of a weighted sum of the three random samples relative to this, just the average of those three, okay, as an estimator for the mu. Okay, so it's actually very easy to check that both of these two things are unbiased estimators for the mu, because you can just take the expectation of these two things, and they will see they are both equal to mu. Now we just need to check their efficiency. So their efficiency is completely determined by their variance. So just compute their variance. The variance of this is this, and we know that since these three things are independent, so the variance of their sum is just equal to sum of their variance, but since every one of them are scaled, so I have 1 over 4 or 1/4 for the x1 and x3, and the 1/2 for the x2. So I need to square their coefficients. So 1/4 squared becomes 1 over 16, and 1/2 squared is 1 over 4, and 1 over 4 squared is 1 over 16. So we just need to add all those three. Remember that each of these is from the normal distribution with mu and sigma square as the mean and the variance, so their variance are all equal to sigma square. So combining everything is just this. Now the variance of the average, you can do that similarly, but you also know that this is just the average, it's just the variance of the sample mean of three samples. So that's supposed to be this sigma square over the sample size, which is sigma square over 3. So now their efficiency, we compare their efficiency, it's just to compare the reciprocal of their variances. So the efficiency of these two guys is just equal to the reciprocal of their variances. So let's flip the upside down for the variance. So for the numerator, the variance is what we showed is sigma square over 3. The denominator is this 3 sigma square over 8. And you can just cancel out the sigma square, you get 8 over 9. So this means that the numerator is slightly less efficient than the denominator, right? Because this ratio is actually smaller than 1. And that means you just use the standard average that is more efficient than using this kind of a weird combination of the three.